Can't believe I'm below the speed limit. Everybody should buy a cruiser, honestly. Everyone should buy a cruiser. That's it, no more speeding tickets. Oh, by the way, ultrasonic cleaning carburetors, 100% recommended. I've done them, pilot circuit, everything is just bang on, perfect. Pulls like a train from idle, literally from idle. Look, I'm changing gear before I reach like 1800. Seriously, you can forget about the gearbox, honestly. On normal road, in the countryside, basically you can do probably, I would guess, about 25 miles an hour in fifth. I think you can do it. It's funny, when I'm on a sports bike, I always want to overtake everyone. But now I'm on this one, and I'm not bothered. Sitting behind the car, fine. Who cares? With that one, it's just like, get out of the way, get out of the way. Not very good, not very safe. Making you angry all the time. It's like, why is these people here? Noise time, 1500, 1800. But once I get everything done, which is gonna be 2 slip-ons made by NRP exhaust in Mansfield? Is it Mansfield, or maybe it's Newark? I'm not sure. It's gonna be made by them. Oh, that was like a little bit close. I told the guy named Nigel, I told him what I want. I told him basically I want it sounds like a helicopter, just to have a deep rumble, like just the guy past me. Probably got Vans and Hines on it. Maybe I'll tell him to copy a Vans and Hines. We'll see what he's coming up with. Hopefully a helicopter sounding 1100 Virago. Who is this on the front? Seriously, 10 miles an hour. Is this not? Oh, cyclist again. Yeah, no, I can't see the light. Just a little bit. Slow cruisers, eh? It is pretty good. There's one thing I want to show you. The horn on this one is lovely. It's an air horn. I love it. Look. I mean, seriously. It's low. I never had a bike with an air horn, but I love it. That's great.